Hello everyone and welcome to RC News Chat. I'm your host Mini OAG, reporting live from the top secret headquarters, also known as my bedroom. Dad is poorly today, so due to the popular request, I have taken over the channel. Dad has promised to give me all the money for today's video, so please watch it over 5 times and share it with all your friends. Today we have 3 incredible RC machines. Each one's cooler than the last, so buckle up, grab your snacks, like your popcorn, maybe hide your pets because things are about to get wild. First up we have the Rlaarlo MK07 brushless RC crawler, also known as Dino Drive 3000. Okay, that's not its real name, but it should be. This RC car has hand-painted dinosaur signs, which means the real artist sat down and thought, you know what this car needs? A Jurassic car makeover and some teeth. And they were right. This thing looks like a T-Rex got tired of chasing people and decided to try motorsports instead. The giant tyres that roll over rocks, sticks, grasses could probably climb over my messy bedroom floor, which is basically a rock course anyway. The brushless motor gives loads of power. You hit the throttle, it doesn't matter. Charges like a dinosaur that's late to a dentist appointment. And supervision, oh wow, it bounces over bumps like on a trampoline. This car had personality. It would be the kid in school who always says, I bet I can jump over that, and actually does it. So if you want an RC car that looks like a dinosaur, drives like a monster, and scares your neighbours just a tiny bit, the MC07 is a perfect one. On to the next one. Up next, we have a true legend, the Team Associated RC10 Factory Team Kit. This is so iconic buggy, it probably has its own fan club. It celebrates 60 years over RC history, which is older than my parents and my grandparents and the dinosaurs. Wait, probably not the dinosaurs. That's pretty impressive. The builder's kit, which means you can put it together yourself. It's like building a space kit, but much cooler, much faster, and much less aliens. You need to get bags and tiny parts, metal bits, and instructions that make you feel like a real engineer. Just don't drop them on the carpet. Trust me, you never see them again. That's why you should have a little tray on hand when building. Once you've built the RC10, it's all about speed. It's lightweight, aerodynamic, and designed to zoom around tracks like it's trying to break the sound barrier. If you blink, you'll miss it. If you sneeze, it'll be halfway across the garden. If cars had jobs, this one would be a professional athlete and win all the trophies that says, I thank my pit crew. So if you love building, racing, and going fast enough to make your hair blow back, RC10 is your new best friend. And finally, we have the Tamiya Quirk Hopper GF02. The RC buggy looks like it drank 3 cans of fizzy drink and it can't sit still. The buggy has a bouncy body designed to make it look silly, like it's always smiling. The RC car would say, let's do something silly, then immediately drive into a bush. It uses GF02 4-wheel drive chassis, which means it's super stable and great for off-road fun, which means it's good for the speed challenge. Grass, no problem. Gravel, easy. Mum's flower bed. Let's not talk about that. It comes with a 540 motor. Just add a radio gear, battery, and a responsible adult, or at least someone who pretends they're responsible. The tyres are chunky, grippy, and perfect for bouncing, like a hyperactive kangaroo. Boing, boing, boing. And the name Quirkhopper fits perfectly. It's quirky, it hops, and it definitely has personality. If RC cars were in school, this would be the class clown who makes everyone laugh, but still gets good grade somehow. And that's up for today, RC's news update. We met a dinosaur on wheels, a racing superstar, and a buggy that probably just tells jokes when we're not looking. Thanks for watching. I'm Mini OAG. See you next time, unless the Quirk Hopper steals my microphone again. Hey!